Alright, we got that started. Welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. You already know what time it is. 10 a.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. Sundays, 6 p.m. Wednesdays, aka another day in paradise. For those that are new, go ahead, hit the like button, then subscribe, and then leave a comment afterwards, get yourself programmed with your own algorithm. Let the computers know, hey, I like this content, so show me more of it, right? Because, hey, they ain't going to do it for you. You got to let them know what you want. Yeah, I like this guy. He's popcorn. Sometimes he's cool. Sometimes he's that dude. Love how that just goes right there at the end of the intro. But y'all know how we going to do today. We got some more videos to review. So y'all already know. Roll up, scroll up, and get ready to chill because we finna go through it. Y'all know to go check out the Buy Me a Coffee. Shout out to the Buy Me a Coffee link. Y'all know how that go. Put that in there first. Needed to repin my Yokin affiliate link. Shout out to the Yokin sales because y'all already know we getting into 2024 and we definitely getting up on our sales for the companies we're currently selling for. So shout out to Yokin and W because they have affiliate links and programs for y'all, so y'all can go get y'all some money too. I ain't just gonna try to hog it all to myself. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing. That way y'all can try to imitate. Shout out to the Buy Me a Coffee because we was already talking about that too. So we gonna go ahead and get that in the link because I know y'all appreciate that. Being able to monetize your content on YouTube from day one, that's beneficial to anybody, you dig? Or whatever platform you on. Just drop your Buy Me a Coffee link, and just like whenever you over here on Rumble, here goes the official Buy Me a Coffee that we was talking about. Y'all know to slide over here, become one of these supporters. Shouts out to Amy, Izzy, the J Jordan, Melinda Elliott. Jay Jordan be over there a lot because he's a good supporter on Buy Me a Coffee. He appreciates that because he also has his set up, so of course he comes through and shows me support on mine. But y'all know to go support both of us because we both doing our things, especially if you need somebody to work out with. The Jay got you covered. And then of course y'all know every video I record, and when I go live, I usually do my studio quality over for Rumble. So y'all know to go check the Rumble to see the studio quality of the videos and enjoy it over there also, right? It's almost the same video, but it's different. And plus you get to see me the full time on screen. Shout out to being on screen full time over there because I be having to